Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of concrete technology, that is, what is shrinkage? Give classification of shrinkage and enlist various factors affecting shrinkage. So let's start with what is shrinkage. Okay, as we know that for manufacturing of the concrete or mortar, we have to mix cement with water. Okay, when cement react with water, what happens? Heat of hydration process is started. Okay, in this process a lot amount of heat is generated, and the moisture from the concrete or mortar is lost. Okay, due to this loss of moisture, the volume of the cement paste or concrete is reduces. This is known as shrinkage. Okay, so during the process of heat of hydration of cement paste, reduction in volume of the cement paste takes place due to loss of moisture, which is termed as shrinkage. Okay, volume change is one of the most detrimental properties of concrete, which affect the long-term strength and durability of concrete. Due to shrinkage, microcracks are developed in the concrete. Shrinkage is responsible for the development of cracks in floor and pavement. Okay, now types of shrinkage. There are 4 types of shrinkage. First one, plastic shrinkage, drying shrinkage, autogenous shrinkage, and carbonation shrinkage. Okay, if we talk about the plastic shrinkage, whatever the volume change is due to the heat of hydration process, as we have discussed, that is known as a plastic shrinkage. Okay, the main causes of plastic shrinkage is enlisted as higher water cement ratio, badly proportioned concrete mix, rapid drying, unintended vibration, yielding of formwork, greater bleeding. Okay, so for prevention of plastic shrinkage, what we can do? This can be reduced by preventing the loss of moisture from concrete. This can be done by covering the concrete surface with polyethylene sheets immediately on finishing operation, or by working at night. Okay, we can work at night or cover the concrete surface with polyethylene. Okay, we are also performing the curing operation. This is also for this reducing the shrinkage, plastic shrinkage. Okay, a small quantity of aluminum powder may be used to offset the effect of plastic shrinkage. This aluminum powder is also used as air entering agent. Okay, this is an admixture. Okay, and also revibrate the concrete in a controlled manner. Okay, now next is the drying shrinkage. Okay, plastic shrinkage is what that happens in the freshly mixed concrete. Okay, and now drying shrinkage is occurred in hardened concrete. Okay, this is known as drying shrinkage. Whatever the shrinkage takes place after the concrete has set or hardened is called as drying shrinkage. Withdrawal of water from concrete stored in unsaturated air caused drying shrinkage. A part of this shrinkage is recovered on immersion of concrete in water or storage under wet condition. Okay, you can see here the reversibility of drying shrinkage is shown in this graph. Okay, next is autogenous shrinkage. Now autogenous shrinkage is that type of shrinkage in which volume change is there without change in any moisture content. Okay, moisture content के अंदर कुछ वेरिएशन नहीं आ रहा है, पर उसके अंदर वॉल्यूम के अंदर चेंज आ रहा है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे ऑटोजीनियस श्रिंकेज. Where no moisture movement to or from the paste is permitted when temperature is constant, some shrinkage may occur. The shrinkage or such conservative system is known as autogenous shrinkage. Okay, and last is carbonation shrinkage. the whatever the carbonation of concrete is there, okay, the carbon dioxide in present in the atmosphere react with CaOH twice, okay. When cement reacts with water, CSH gel will be formed and CaOH twice will be formed, okay. Now this CaOH twice will react with carbon dioxide present in atmosphere. This will form the CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, okay. This is also known as carbonation of concrete, okay, due to which the carbonation, whatever the shrinkage is generated, this is known as carbonation shrinkage, okay. We know that due to carbonation of concrete, at last what we will get, there is a volume change in the CaCO3, okay. Volume of CaCO3 and COH twice both are different, due to which we get the shrinkage, okay. This is known as carbonation shrinkage. Now factors affecting shrinkage. So different factors affecting the shrinkage is enlisted as: first one, water cement ratio, okay, cement content, relative humidity, type of aggregate, size and shape of specimen, type of cement, admixtures, storage and curing conditions, and reinforcement. These are the factors affecting shrinkage. I hope all of you are clear about the type of shrinkage, what is shrinkage, and factors affecting shrinkage. Thank you.